Okay, with the state of the economy, the state of crypto, here's exactly what I'm doing. So I've always had the same plan with crypto. I hold long-term fundamental cryptos. I'm holding those in my portfolio. Here's the difference. Here's a mistake that I made. In 2021, when the bull run came, I didn't pull enough profits. So next time, I'll be pulling profits. Where my mindset is going, I'm going to be focused on land, precious metals. So here's how my ecosystem works. I have a cryptocurrency portfolio. Okay, that's my speculative asset. I have long-term fundamental cryptos, long-term investments. If they do go parabolic again, going into like after the Bitcoin halving and all that stuff, I will pull more money and put more money into land and precious metal, physical things that I can hold. Okay. I also am diversified in business. These phones and these computers, I built multiple companies off of these education companies. Okay. So I'm diversified in business. I have my leveraged life insurance. So where my brain is at, my friend, is land, physical things, right? So I'm going to be working too. I'm not into real estate. I wanted to get into real estate, but now my brain is like, it's time to get into real estate. I'm not talking flipping or buying, renting properties. I'm talking about buying land for myself, my family, and then trying to accumulate physical land, things like that. So I'm going to be heading to I guess that would be the real estate game, right? But not flipping, not that type of stuff. Just more of having commodities to hold on to. I'd like to start, so I have silver. I haven't gotten any gold. I think I'm gonna start stacking gold. So just like the central banks are doing. So that's what I'm doing. I would just hold the line, work to try to get cash flow. I'm also working to get capital. I've been working to cut back frivolous spending. I've cut out all my revolving debt. I have zero revolving debt now, which is like, bad debt, credit card debt, things like that. And I'm stacking cash on the sidelines for a big dip in crypto stocks, things like that. So hopefully that helps a little bit. I don't have the answer for other people. I know this has worked for me. I've grown more financial freedom in the worst economic times in the world because I do the opposite of everybody else. When everybody's fearful, I buy. When everybody's celebrating, I start to sell. So hopefully that helps. Love you, brother. Warriors, let's get your shit together.